Hey everyone, welcome to Crafted Template. In this video, I'll walk you through the Student Portfolio Template, a complete, responsive website starter you can customize in minutes. You'll see how each page works, how the data files connect, and how to make it your own, even if you're just getting started with web design. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new free web templates like this one. The home page features a clean hero section with your introduction, plus featured projects and blog posts, all loaded automatically from simple JSON files. It's fully responsive and supports light and dark mode with a quick toggle in the header. The About page tells your story, your skills, education, and background. To customize it, just open about.html in your editor and replace the text or skill badges. Each page has its own CSS file inside assets of CSS, making edits easy to manage. The portfolio page lists your project with filter buttons, web, mobile, data, or design. All these cards come from assets data of projects.json. Clicking a project opens a detailed view with screenshots, descriptions, and technology tags. To add one, copy an entry in that JSON file, change the title and image links, and refresh. The services page lists what you offer, like web builds or app prototypes, each card linking to your contact form. The blog page reads from post.json. You can search by title or tag, and each post has its own post.html page. Adding a post works just like projects: copy, edit, and save. The resume page summarizes your experience and skills. You can even link your PDF resume for download. Testimonials display feedback stored in testimonials.json with avatars and quotes. The contact page includes a front-end form that validates inputs and shows success messages. No back-end required. Light and dark mode use CSS variables, making it easy to adjust colors globally. Responsive grids and media queries ensure everything looks perfect on phones, tablets, and desktops. The project is organized for easy editing. Assets CSS, styles for each page. Assets JS main.js, interactivity and data loading via jQuery. Assets data, JSON files for projects, posts, and testimonials. Assets IMG, images and icons. Edit colors and fonts in base.css, and replace the placeholder logo and favicons with your own in the image folder. Save changes and reload to see updates instantly. If you're enjoying this walkthrough, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. It really helps support more free templates like this one. And great news, the full Student Portfolio Template is now available for free download at craftedtemplate.com. Grab it, customize it, and launch your own personal portfolio today. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Crafted Template.